This is a volumetric flask, and we can use it to create a solution with a very precise concentration. To create a more dilute solution, first you want to rinse your volumetric flask with whatever your solvent is. This is usually DI water, but if you had a different solvent, you would rinse your flask a couple times with the solvent. Then you want to pipette very carefully the precise amount of the solution that you want to dilute. Once you have your solution that you want to dilute in your volumetric pipette, you can place that into your volumetric flask. Next, you'll take your solvent and fill your volumetric flask about half full. When it's half full, you want to give it a nice gentle swirl to make sure that all the liquids have mixed. After you've gently swirled it, you want to again fill your volumetric flask with your solvent. Make sure you know where the measurement marking line is. On this particular volumetric flask, the measurement mark is right here. So I'm going to fill this with the solvent a couple of centimeters below that measurement mark. I've stopped filling here a couple of centimeters below that measurement mark because it's very important with volumetric glassware to not go over the measurement mark. So while we're still a couple centimeters below, I'm going to stop filling with my large source of the solvent, and I'm going to take a transfer pipette and I'm going to drop by drop add it into this volumetric flask until the meniscus is resting right on that measurement mark. When the meniscus is resting right on that line, then we will take the top for the volumetric flask, securely place it in there, and we can invert the volumetric flask and gently swirl to make sure the whole solution is mixed. And now we have successfully diluted our solution.